Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to change location in Talabat app. The first thing I want you to do is launch the Talabat app and then come to the bottom right. You'll see this account option or profile icon. I want you to go ahead and tap on this and you will be redirected to this page, and from here come to the top right and click on this gear cog. It will take you to your settings and you can go ahead and change your country and you can change your saved address while you're trying to change your location. So to change country, just tap here on country. You'll see all the different countries where Talabat is supported, and you can easily pick another country and then click here on continue. And if you want to change your saved address, then all you do is you just come back here and then you tap here on saved addresses. Here you can see our current address. You can tap on this and change the location. So you can go ahead and change the area itself. You can change the pin location as well, or just enter the complete address right here. As you can see, we have this one labeled as our house, and we can go ahead and change our location by adjusting the pin as well. Or we can of course search up the area or street name right here. For example, let's do Majan in this case, and then let's go ahead and do this area. Right, so let's do one here and click on complete address, and there we go. As you can see, we have changed that. Then click here on save address. So that is how to change location in Talabat app.